YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Franklin,
And I'm Elena.
and we are in Las Vegas. Okay, so we're going to be here for a few days. I'm just going to bring you along so you can see what we end up doing. So, let's go. Okay, small update. We made it from the airport. We checked into our hotel, which is I think the Hilton Grand Vacation. I got a little hungry. Went to Resorts World. This was actually the first hotel that we stayed in when we came to Vegas after the LA Auto Show a couple of years ago. Had breakfast at Sun Out, no, sun, what is it? Sun's Up, Buns Out. It's like a breakfast little nook restaurant. So we're gonna head to the hotel, rest a little bit, and make some plans for the rest of the day. Hey, we're back. So now we're walking to the Strat. So our hotel is right there. So yeah, the Strat is right here. So we're gonna walk to it before it gets too dark because this is kind of a sketchy part of Las Vegas. So we're gonna go to the top. So I don't remember how much it was last time I came up here, but it is $25 per person to come to the top. It's a little touchscreen at the box office, and it's a $10 convenience fee on top of that. So now we're in here, and then we're gonna wait for the elevator to head to the top. Okay, so the elevator drops you off at the 108th floor, and you gotta take the steps to the 109th floor. The 109th floor view is awesome. So I want to bring you along to let you see it. We're going to come back to the 108th floor so you can see what it looks like. Hello. Outside view. So now we're going to go back down to the 108th floor and look at the view down there. Okay, so when you come down to the 108th floor, it's the same view, but it's inside. Plus you have a bar and another little cafe in here too. So some days if it's extremely windy outside, they will close the outside part, just for safety reasons. But you can still get the same type of view on the inside. And it's air conditioned, for them extra hot 100 and plus Vegas days, you can still get the same view and air conditioned. Plus, you have chairs that you can sit down. So here's a view of the strip. So usually these screens right here are lit up, and you can come to the screen and then tell you what you're looking at out there. Have an indoor gift shop. Over here is downtown. So Fremont Street is right there. So this screen is working. Like I was saying earlier, you can zoom in and you can see where certain things are. You need to go there one day.
So we just left the top of the Strat. We're going to try to go to downtown Fremont Street. I heard it is a free shuttle from here to downtown and the surrounding areas. It's called the Downtown Loop. It does stop at 6 o'clock. I think it's Sunday through Thursday. The current time now is 5:52, so I hope we're not too late for it. But we're going to try to get to Fremont Street and see what they got down there. So we got off the loop just in time to catch the first show at the Fremont Experience. The Fremont Experience is the screen above me. Every hour, it gives like a little performance using this screen. I think it's one of the largest screens, I think, in the world. But the first show is at 6 p.m. and it goes on every hour. Morning. It's day 2 for us out here. We're on our way to get breakfast. After that, we're going to explore the Strip a little bit, go to the movies, and then tonight we're going to a Cirque du Soleil show. Hey, so we just got back from the movies. We went to go see Sinners. Now we're waiting for the monorail so we can go to MGM Grand to see a Cirque du Soleil show. And I'll show you what the show is when we get there. Okay, so we made it to MGM. We're going to see Ka. So I don't think we can take our camera in there or film in there, but we'll let you know how it is when we get done with the show. Good morning. This is day 3 in Vegas. We're on our way to Fontainebleau, which is right over there, and we're about to get some breakfast. Then we have a timeshare presentation after that. Then after that, it's just whatever. We don't know yet. Hey, so this is day 4, our last day in Vegas. So let me tell you what happened last night. We went to the timeshare, and the timeshare was nice. So basically, they have a lady, they sign you in, they give you a little snack or brunch or whatever. Then a person comes and they ask what your travel plans, what your bucket list travel destinations. Then they take you to another little room, play a little video of all the destinations that this hotel has to offer, and how you can get these penthouse suites and all type of stuff where you go with their plan. So once they take you to this other room, they tell you, you spend this much money a week or this much money a year in traveling. If you go with this plan, which what they have to offer for the timeshare, it's a whole lot better because after a while, you're traveling for free. Basically, how they're trying to say it. They give you so many points per year. The points is based off of what level that you end up buying. So they recommend that you do 22,000 points. So 22,000 points you get every year. Let's say if you want to go to Vegas for a week and stay in the penthouse for that week, you may use 3,000 points. If you want to go to Dubai the next week and stay for 2 days, that may be 200 points. And you use these points throughout the year. The points that you don't use roll over to the next year. Only thing you have to do, you have to pay between a $900 and a $3,000 a year maintenance fee. But you have to buy into this timeshare. The price they told us to buy in for 22,000 points was $139,000. $30,000 down, $1,400 I think closing fee, and you have to get this paid off within 10 years. So we was like, this is too rich for our blood. But they do have packages below that. They go down to 5,000 points a year, which is a little bit cheaper than that. But we didn't go with it because that's too much. So after the timeshare, we walked the trip a little bit, got something to eat. Then we went to downtown to the Neon Museum. So the Neon Museum opens at 3 to 5 p.m. for the day shift and from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. for the night shift. So we got a 7:15 time slot. So you had to buy your tickets in time slots. I think the tickets was like $31 a person. So if you do this, I recommend that you do go at night. So if you don't know, the Neon Museum is all the old Vegas signs that came from hotels that had been torn down or renovated over the years. And it's a scrapyard or boneyard of all these old museums. And if you come at night, a lot of these signs light up, so you can actually see what the signs look like lit up at night. And you probably already seen that part in the video. Then after that, we came back, got some Dave's hot chicken, came back to the room and basically crashed. We was wore out. So now we got about an hour till checkout. Our flight is not until tonight. So we're basically just going to walk around and explore the strip until tonight. But I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys on our next video.